Dear friends, I wish you a Merry Christmas. Some years back, in India, one school was celebrating Christmas. That school was a government school. In a particular class, there were Hindu students, Muslim students, and there was only one Christian. The students came together and wanted to celebrate Christmas. They decorated everything, and they were looking for that one student, Christian student, but she was absent. Immediately they called their family. The family people told them that she was sick and she was admitted in the hospital. So the whole group went from the school to the hospital. In the hospital, they celebrated Christmas. That was a beautiful event. To celebrate Christmas, place is not important thing. We need people of love. We need people of sharing. We need people of faith. One of my friends, Father Joseph Martis, wrote a beautiful article on Christmas. And he was explaining the beauty of Bethlehem. The word Bethlehem means house of bread. Jesus is the bread of life. He has told us that He is giving us life-giving bread. Don't look for ordinary bread. Look for the spiritual nourishment. Jesus is giving spiritual nourishment to us through heavenly bread. And Bethlehem also is a place of enlightenment. 3 Magi came to Bethlehem to worship Jesus. They had knowledge, but they didn't have wisdom. There is a difference between wisdom and knowledge. Knowledge means knowing about things of the world. Wisdom is the one that leads us to know the presence of God in this world. And the 3 Magi knew the wisdom, and they came and worshipped Jesus. Thirdly, Bethlehem is a place of joy. You see the heavenly joy in the manger. The shepherds came with great joy to see the newborn baby. And the father and mother of child Jesus were so happy to receive people. 3 Magi came, and the angels came, and that was a great time of heavenly joy. Fourthly, Bethlehem brings unity in the whole universe. When you see the small manger, we see different realities. We see stars, we see angels, we see shepherds, we see magi, we see so many beautiful animals. You could see a cosmic unity in that small manger. And also, Bethlehem is the place of true worship. God promised David that he would build a temple for him. David thought it was the earthly temple. His son built a beautiful Jerusalem temple. That temple was destroyed. But what God meant was a spiritual temple. a temple built by Jesus Christ, a temple of holiness, a temple of peace, bringing people together and celebrating the great love of God. That is the true temple to worship. In Bethlehem we see the true worship. And also the message Christmas gives to us is something wonderful. God is with us. God is Emmanuel. God is not something above. God is not somebody who is far away. He is with us. That gives great joy, great consolation, and great hope in life. So I would like to wish you a Merry Christmas. Thank you.